Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to connect database to the PHP. So this is the tutorial on that. So this is very easy. Here we have server name, username, password and the database which you want to connect. You need to write mysqli underscore connect and put all the parameters over here. Check whether this all these details are correct or not. If it is not correct, it will show you connection failed, else it will show you connected successfully, right? Suppose here I'm going to add admin 1, right? If I'm going to reload the database, it will say ss denied with this one, right? Why it's coming? Because one of my details is wrong. If I'm going to change back, it will show you connected successfully, and it will fetch the data with my table users. So for fetching the data, we can use mysqli underscore query, passing the connection string, right? And here which query you want to implement, select star from the users. And for retrieve the data, mysqli num rows, I'm checking it is greater than 0, then it will fetch only email, right? And just if not, then it will return there will be not record, right? So this is very simple tutorial like connecting the DB to the MySQL. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any issue in that, just let me know in the comment box. Have a great day.